Hi guys, so today I want to share my first fall/holiday season recipe with you guys. I'm so excited. This is my favorite time of the year. We're going to make an amaretto pound cake. Yes, we're going to start this off right, y'all. So for your ingredients, you're going to need some eggs, whole milk, room temp butter, and a little bit of white vinegar. You're going to need some almond extract and vanilla extract. For your dry ingredients, you're going to need some flour, salt, baking soda, and sugar. And the star of this cake, you're going to need some amaretto liqueur. I know the main amaretto is Dixie, but this brand right here is actually really good. So to start off, we're going to take our vinegar and we're going to mix it with our whole milk. This is a great substitute for buttermilk if you need buttermilk. Now we're going to set that aside and work on our dry ingredients. We're going to take our flour, salt, and our baking soda, and we're going to whisk that together. And then we're going to go ahead and set that aside. Next, we're going to take our room temp butter and our sugar, and we're going to cream them together until they're nice and fluffy. Next, I'm going to add in both of my extracts, and I'm going to stir those in. I actually should have added my eggs first. I don't know why I did the extracts first, but it really didn't matter. So next, I'm going to start to add in my eggs. I'm going to add them in one at a time. You want to beat in between. The best thing to do is to crack all your eggs in a bowl so you can easily pour it in the batter without having to stop and re-crack an egg. So now that we've gotten all of our eggs beaten in, we're going to go ahead and start to add our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. You want to go back and forth between the two. So now right at the very end, that's when you want to add in your amaretto. Now we're going to continue to beat this until it's nice and smooth. Much love from Kentucky. You guys must follow her. I love her. I was in her live and she mentioned one, so you know I had to look it up. So now I have my baking pan. I've already greased it and floured it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my cake batter. And now we're going to pop it in the oven. We're going to bake it at 325 for 50 to 55 minutes. As long as you put a toothpick in and it comes out clean, it's done. Yes, girl. Isn't that beautiful? Now, as is, this cake is delicious. Fluffy, moist, just delicious, y'all. But we gotta, take it up a notch. We're going to make a amaretto caramel sauce to pour on top. And to make that, all you gotta do is take some melted butter and sugars. Now once all the sugar is dissolved, we're going to go ahead and add in some half and half and some amaretto liqueur. Now we're going to stir everything together, and once all the sugar is dissolved, you want to let this cool for a little bit, and look what you end up with. This amaretto caramel sauce is so freaking delicious, guys. It would be so good on ice cream. You guys, this amaretto pound cake is so freaking delicious. It's not too sweet. Like I said, you don't need the caramel sauce. The pound cake itself is not too sweet. It's fluffy. It's moist. I'm so glad I chose this cake to start off my fall slash holiday season recipes because it's so good. It is so good, y'all. Yes. Yeah,